As well as modifying my BMW E30 and adding some sauce to my Lamborghini Revuelto, I've decided it's time to start modifying something else. Myself. The problem with being a successful businessman is you invest in all the right places except your own body. And over the years, I've struggled with consistency and many setbacks. My back's in pain. Can't move, can't get out of my bed. So this time, I did what I always do in business, and I brought in an expert. This is my personal trainer, PK. High-level coach, certified nutritionist, and someone who doesn't accept excuses. So it was time to lock in, training properly, eating properly, living properly, even getting the family involved, because this isn't just about me anymore. And with the Yiannimize Grand Tour fast approaching, I want to be in the best shape for those early mornings and those long drives. PK's even taken me to his own place to make sure the fuel going into this body is premium. So this here is everything I need to take on a daily basis. Are you okay?
Don't get anxious.
So it was only right to exchange some knowledge so I could help him with what I do best, business.
And I'm in a dilemma.
The fact that you've got so many other things, so many moving pieces, spinning plates, you don't want to be dropping plates.
Yeah. Jig is up, yeah. I came too far, I ain't giving up. Hey, I had to cut what was weighing me down, and then when you grow, they say that you switching up here to perimeter, defending the fort.
So, this is our shop. There is every single supplement you will ever need. I have a look at your blood test you send me, and I'm gonna show you everything you need to medicate that.
My God.
We have berberine, HCl. You have high blood glucose in the morning. So this one helps to balance out all your blood sugars in the day and make sure you're burning fat throughout the day.
And that wasn't it. He gave a long list of supplements to have throughout the day, and you're probably wondering why. All the ways I've tried to work out never lasted. So with my diet, work lifestyle, blood test results, and my daily routine in mind, PK made a plan bespoke to me. He made sure I was covered in all aspects and each individual supplement had a purpose. You know when I walk, that's what I'm gonna sound like as I'm walking down the road.
Some people, they are professional bodybuilders. They're gonna weigh their rice, they're gonna weigh everything. Some people, they're businessmen. They don't have time. They go to meetings, it has to be convenient. They don't cook. You need to have something easy. We work around that.
If you're coming to Cyprus and you wanna get fit, see this man.
Results always.
One of the best parts of this journey is training with my son, because not only am I able to focus on my goals, I get to reach these goals with my son by my side.
Oh, I should have brought my basketball.
Should have brought your basketball, yeah.
I could have showed you up on that.
Oh, please. Jeez. Oh my God. Is that the weight you set for us?
It's pushing it, it's not lifting it, so you'll be all right.
That's heavy. What's on it?
Probably 20s, that's 25, the red one. Bumper's usually 20, the black one.
Ah, bumpers, he knows his stuff.
So making excuses, it's a results game, come on.
That's it, it's good. It's good. All right. Yeah, listen. Slowly, slowly, slowly.
It's getting there, huh?
All right, let's go.
Walk with me, you know that I got it. Come with me, let's take a trip to the
Touch the
islands. We
bumper.
up on the jet, we'll do more than just fly on it. Stand on that hill, you gon' die on it. Boom. Baby,
Stop.
I'm not one of them, you should try on it. Miss me with all that, I'm on it and next. Whip this up, I send you back to your ex. But good luck with that, this is big as it gets. Hey, let's see how you do under pressure.
Go, 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 go. Go, 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 it's the last one.
Name to remember.
10, stay low, go. 1, 2, move. Bam, fast. 2, and 1. Good job.
I felt good today. I felt strong today. Today's probably my best day that I felt.
Performance is good, your cardio is going up, so every morning cardio is paying off.
I feel good today. We're 3 weeks in. 3 weeks in. 3 kilograms down in 3 weeks.
Muscle weight goes up. So that's all body fat weight. He's doing really well. Like, he's improving every week. I'm very proud.
Right, so tell me a little bit about you, your journey.
I started competing in 2015 as a junior, and I started like learning about bodybuilding competitions. And I was hooked. So I started competing every single year in Cyprus from 2019 and onwards. I've been doing the online coaching. I started very small circle. I train everyone for free at the beginning.
Really?
Yeah. Just a testimonial for my website. I specialize in competition preparation.
Okay.
So I work with professional athletes. I only do VIP clients one-on-one. I created the Mutant Factory,
Okay.
which is a team of coaches that each one specializes on something different. You can choose which one you want to work with.
Yep.
And then you go from there.
I know a lot of people in the industry do a lot of online training, big names, Ulysses, Wale, they're friends of mine. And I know this industry can be incredible if you get it right. Every morning I wake up and I take my concoction of capsules. It is really important to me when I go to the gym. Now, usually I take a couple of scoops of my holy powder. However, they have brought out syrup pods. So I'm gonna test this out for the first time today. It's got a real cool water bottle that I haven't seen before. Great colors, and I'm gonna see how this works. So we got different flavor of syrup pods, and it tells me how to syrup. So I think we're gonna go with green apple. It's really simple. Twist holy ring to open, which I've done. Insert and open holy syrup pod. Fill it with cold water. Choose your flavor intensity. Oh, hello. We can make it more or less sweeter. I think I'm gonna go with a 3. I don't even need to shake it. Tilt and suck it like you mean it, they said.
What?
Okay. That's really good, bro. That's really good. It's really nice. It's quite weird. Like, do you know, actually, let's turn it up. I'm gonna turn it to like the star with the explosion on the end, the star. This is like the turbo version, the 1,000 brake horsepower version. So let's see how much of a difference it makes. Oh my God, that's really sweet. Yeah, let me go down, let me try one. Okay, it actually really does work. You got your different levels, 1, 2, 3, and your turbo version. I think 3 was about right for me. I honestly and genuinely think this is amazing. You need to try it. My discount code is on the screen right now. Try it and let me know what you think. But trust me, it's the one.
And up. Go a bit more wide.
I'm not even
with your
laughing because I
steps.
know I've got to do it.
You're
That's what I'm saying. I'm not even laughing because I know I've got to do it after you. So usually I would laugh.
smaller steps. Bravo. 4.
All right, I like it though. It's my favorite type of burn is in my legs.
6.
I love it.
Job done.
Do you want to end it with 10 push-ups?
You killed it today.
So you have involvement in the shop. You have your online personal training. You've also got a clothing brand that you gave me a t-shirt
All
and you're
of us.
wearing it as well.
Yeah. I'm thinking about opening a physical shop
Yep.
or doing it online. And I'm in a dilemma.
What's it called, first of all?
Frantic.
So I know you mentioned to me a lot of the stuff you do is like one of a kind, exclusive. So if it goes, it goes. But if you're only doing one piece, why wouldn't you do 10 pieces as a limited run? So there's a brand in the UK called Cortez, and what they do is they do like limited drops. They'll be like, right, you know what, we're gonna go here to this location, and we're gonna be here, and once we sell out, we sell out. And they'll have like 100 pieces, and they sell out like that. They have thousands of people turn up. You could do something like that here. So you get that excitement and that demand and people, the FOMO. You know what FOMO is? Fear of missing out. I don't like massive overheads. And I think now with the way the world is, you don't want a stress of knowing that you've got to pay 2 or 3 or 4,000 euros a month, plus your electricity and whatever else you need to do. Then you need to stop.
That on online marketing. It's huge.
Exactly, and you can just spend it on marketing, on advertisement. Social media is free, unless you want to spend ads. But if you've got someone like myself wearing it, or people that have got a half decent sized social media, they don't need to have millions online. I always say this to people. People are like, I want to send it to someone because he's got 2 million. I'm like, okay, but how many of those people would buy the product just because he's got 2 million followers? Am I ever going to get that return on investment, the ROI? It's finding that balance. I genuinely believe, I think it's an online business. I think the fact that you've got so many other things, so many moving pieces or spinning plates, you don't want to be dropping plates. And I think you just need to be very careful not to overextend yourself, because if you do, a few of the puzzles will start falling down. My saying is, you have 2 ears and 1 mouth, and that is why you should listen more than what you talk. A lot of people talk a lot, and what comes out of their mouth is usually rubbish. So, and we know this from people we see at the gym.
All the time.
And so this journey has just started. With PK keeping me in check, I hope to reach my goals as planned. I'll check in with you guys soon for an update, so make sure you hold me accountable, and I'll see you guys on the next one.